It's a stinky issue, one that really gets people in this region talking. It arises again and again, and as the decision makers try coming up with a solution to flush it once and for all, the waste still pours into the ocean. But what if you could turn that waste into energy? Well, if you live on the Saanich Peninsula, this is the wastewater treatment facility where all the waste comes in and is then thrown out into the ocean. But now they have a thermal energy recovery system on site, which is helping to heat some of the surrounding facilities.
The Saanich Peninsula Thermal Energy Recovery Project was initiated in 2008 with funding from the Federal Gas Tax Agreement Innovations Fund.
The Capital Regional District received almost $3 million from gas taxes to put towards this project. They built the thermal recovery system to help heat the pool at the Panorama Rec Centre, which results in about $80,000 in savings for the centre.
This is one of a kind in a region. It's a very innovative project, and it's definitely a very successful pilot project for resource recovery and an innovative approach to recovering heat from effluent.
Usually the waste just goes through the treatment plant and out to the ocean, but with this plant built right next to the sanitation centre, it brings the effluent down a different pipe and siphons off the heat.
The effluent's 13 degrees Celsius. What we do is we use a heat exchanger to pull that heat out of the effluent and send it back out, take the heat out of the effluent and put it into a freshwater loop through the heat exchangers and take it up to our customers.
This plant isn't just helping save money, it's also eliminating greenhouse gases.
Up at Panorama, we're saving about 560 tons of greenhouse gases by shutting off the gas boilers, right? That's equivalent to about 100 cars off the road per year.
Right now, the system is running at 20%, serving just the Panorama Rec Centre, but there are plans to expand it to the surrounding buildings.
We have the Federal Centre for Plant Health close by, we have an elementary school, and we could potentially expand the system for residential usage down the road.
This is the kind of technology the CRD wants to tap into for the Greater Victoria sewage system.
When we have a sewage treatment in the core area, we'll be able to take the learnings from this project and apply it to the core, take those things that we've learned and look at district heating opportunities in the core area.
There aren't many projects like this around BC. There's one in False Creek in Vancouver and the Olympic Athletes Village in Whistler. But with this region working towards newer innovations and greener energy sources, you can be sure to find projects like this around the region in the future. In North Saanich, I'm Shetta Singh for The Daily.